Tamara Basic Tease here, and today I'm going to show you how to add some bling onto a basic swimsuit. You can also use the same technique with your ruching. I've already cut my stretch rhinestone to fit the space that I want to add a little bling to my swimming suit. So I just hold on to it right at the end where I want to sew. And I've already threaded a needle. I usually double thread things. Double thread, and I already put a knot down here at the back. So I'm just going to go underneath and I'm going to see where that needle comes through. And I'm going to just sew over it to secure it down. And I'm going to do this all the way through. This is what the inside of it's going to look like when you're done. You've secured it all the way through, and then you're just going to tie a knot at the very end, just like you did at the beginning. There'll be another knot down here. There's your finished product. That's what the front looks like. I've added some bling. It's not quite so basic as it used to be. There's the back of it. You can see I've just tacked it down throughout. You can also use the same technique on ruching, or the gather and the back of a pair of shorts, or maybe on the bust line. And you're gonna tack it down the exact same way as I did on that swimsuit. And you would just go all the way through. And that would just be another technique to use that bling for and really jazz up your item. This stretch rhinestone is available in clear plastic that goes around the rhinestone, black, or white. I hope you found today's tutorial educational. Don't forget to check me out at basictease.com, where I sell my sexy sewing patterns. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.